How to add your own custom music in Need for Speed. Today I will show you two simple methods, one using mode loader and the other using NFS Welted. Both works perfectly, but remember, only use one method at a time. So stick around till the end because I will show you how you can make your custom tracks play during races, not just in the menu. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's talk about method 1. So first open Google and search for NFS Most Wanted Music Importer. Click the first link, scroll down and hit download. Search for NFS Most Wanted Mode Loader and download version 1.3 from the official link. Finally grab your song and you can use any track you like. Once everything downloaded, right click even file and extract them using WinRAR or 7-zip. That's it, you are now ready to import your favorite music into the game. So open the music importer folder and run mco music importer.exe. Click browse, select your song and choose a folder to save the converted file. You can even preview the track or adjust the volume before converting. Once everything looks good, hit import and wait for it to finish. Your song is now ready for the next step. So launch NFS Most Wanted Music Importer.exe. Again, browse to your NFS Most Wanted, then go to sound, then PF data folder and select .mus file. Now pick your converted song file and choose which EA track to replace. For example, let's replace Hush Fired Up. Click import track, confirm and close the window. Congratulations, your custom song is officially in the game. Next, open NFS mode loader.exe. Click next and browse to your game directory. Hit install, then go back to the music importer folder and copy the add-ons folder into your NFS directory. Open add-ons, then car replace, then song names and right click attributes. Open with notepad and press Ctrl+F and find the song you replaced, like Fired Up. Now rename it to your custom track name but keep it short. Update the artist and album too, then save and close. Your song will now appear with the correct name inside the game. Launch the game and go to options, then EA tracks. Here turn off the songs you don't want or set them to menu only. Then find your custom song and set it to menu plus race. Hop into the race and boom, your favorite track is playing loud and clear while you drive through Rockport. So method 1 is complete. Don't go anywhere because method 2 is even more powerful. So you need to search NFS Most Wanted Welted on Google. Click the first link and download it. Once you download it, extract it with WinRAR or 7-zip, and just like before, use the music importer to convert your song into ASF format. Then open NFS music importer.exe, browse to the sound PF data folder and select mostwanted.mus. Choose your converted file and replace a song. I will use V control for this example. Click import track, confirm and you are good to go. Open the VLTET folder and run NFS welted.exe. You need to go to file, then open and select your game directory. Expand the music section, find the song you replaced and edit 3 things like song name, album and artist. Once updated, click on file, then save, then close VLTED. Your song is officially part of the game database. Just like before, open EA tracks inside the game. Turn off the songs you don't want and set your custom track to all. Now start a race and there it is, your favorite music blasting as you drift through Rockport City, your personal style. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.